So guys, today we have the XbotGo AI cameraman. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to go ahead and see what comes inside. So the XbotGo AI cameraman is a 3-axis gimbal that's going to help you take better quality videos, better stabilized, and also better shots. Now this one has a very nice feature for AI that can actually track sports and has different features. Now inside the box we're going to find the gimbal itself, right here. Okay, we're going to find the manual. Okay, we're also going to find a high quality carry-on bag. Okay, so that way we can put the gimbal itself inside. We're also going to find a tripod that we can go ahead and install on the bottom of the gimbal. Okay, so that way we can go ahead and stand the gimbal itself. Okay, we're also going to find a wrist strap right here and a USB-A to Type-C cable. Okay, now on the gimbal itself, we're going to go ahead and turn it on real quick. Right here, we're going to find the controls where the gimbal can be controlled once the phone is on the gimbal. Okay, we're also going to find the battery indicator right here and some modes. On the side, we're going to find the port of the Type-C cable. On the side, we're going to find this toggle button where you're going to be able to zoom in or out, once you use the XbotGo app. Okay, on the back, we're going to find the shutter button right here where you can take pictures or start recording. This is a very nice quality 3-axis gimbal. Let's go ahead and take it outside and let's go ahead and test it out. So in order to use this gimbal, you're going to download the XBot app, and you're going to use this spring-loaded clamp right here. Okay, and it's going to indicate, what side you're going to put the phone. You're going to simply insert your phone right there, and you're going to go ahead and turn on the gimbal. Okay, right away the gimbal is going to go ahead and, put the phone on the right position. Also, it's going to discover the phone, so I'm going to click to connect right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and pair. And it has different modes, okay? It has a soccer mode, a basketball mode, a football mode, a lacrosse mode, an ice hockey, a follow me mode, a tennis, and a handball. Now this gimbal has the ability of actually following you while you're recording. So we're gonna go ahead and just activate this by putting our hand like this and record it started. And as you can see, the gimbal is following me just by pressing on the screen and locking the subject. And the gimbal will go ahead and just follow the subject all over. You can also use the tripod that comes with the gimbal, okay, which is this one right here, to actually put it on the floor or put it on any other surface and actually create your videos. The setup of following a subject is very simple. You will simply go to the XBot app and you will click follow me right here and then next, and then you will start recording. Okay, you can turn this. Okay. You can just click the subject right there while it's following. And you can reverse the camera and you can go ahead and put your hand in front of you and the phone will start recording itself and also following you, which makes it a very, very good option for the gimbal. So that way if you don't have another person that can actually help you record, you can actually get this done by yourself. And I'm going to show it right there. Okay, so we have the video. There we go. It recorded, started, and now it actually follows. Okay, and right there. And the recording stopped. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.